friends, what's up? Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in the Theta network in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. What's the price changes of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour? What's the changes in the current time of in the Theta network in the crypto market? So before starting this video, if you listen my voice, so hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3K subscriber as soon as possible. I need your support. I'm waiting for your support. I'm waiting for your subscription. So please hit the subscribe button. Now let's see what's the changes occur in the Theta network. Let's see the live price changes occurs in the Theta network. First of all, we look the changes of Theta network in the previous last 1 hour. So it's absolutely good news for all Theta holders. As you can see here, after a great fall, they start jumping upward. But I think they are currently also in jumping. It's absolutely good news for all Theta network holders. Congrats all Theta network holders. As you can see here, the changes is also a positive 0.13% change occur in a Theta network. That's the current change of Theta network in the market of crypto, as you can see here. And that's a live price prediction of last 1 hour of Theta network. If we see the high price of Theta network, so it's absolutely good. The high price of Theta network is $13.79 is the high price of Theta network. Now it's a live price prediction of last 1 hour. Now let's see what the changes occur in the previous last 2 hour in the Theta network. As you can see here, as I told you in a previous video, as you can see here, they after a great jumping, they are start again jumping upward. As you can see here, Theta network is also a positive change. When I open the Theta network analyzes the price changes, I found it also a positive. What's your suggestion? As Theta network is good for investment or not? Please share in the comment box. As you can see here, the changes is also in positive in the previous 2 hour. The changes is positive 1.69% occur in the Theta network in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Theta network in $13.79 is the high price of Theta network in the last 2 hour. So that's the live price changes of Theta network you are watching now in the last 2 hour, in the last 1 hour. So please don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel because you listen to my voice. As I told you in the previous video, in the start of this video, if you listen my voice, hit the subscribe button if you like. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep supporting, stay connected with us. I update you every hour of the any cryptocurrencies markets.